Good morning, Sarah. Am I late?
Good morning, Jake. No, you are right on time.
I need your help today.
Of course. What do you need help with?
I have never ordered at Starbucks by myself.
Do not worry, we will go step by step.
Will you order for me?
No, I will help, but you will place your own order.
That sounds a little scary.
By the end, you will feel confident.
Okay, let's go inside before I change my mind.
Great! Today you will learn how to order coffee clearly.
Wow, it is busy in here.
The line is not very long.
I can hear the coffee machine.
The baristas are making many drinks.
The smell of coffee and warm bread is amazing.
The food case is near the register.
Where should we stand?
The order line begins beside that sign.
Where do we get our drinks?
At the pickup counter near the window.
So we order here and wait over there?
Exactly, they call your name when the drink is ready.
Alright, let's study the menu. There are too many words on that board.
Let's only look at the hot coffee section.
I want something mild, not very bitter.
Then a latte may be a good choice.
What is a latte?
It is espresso with steamed milk and a little foam.
Is it sweet?
Only if you add syrup.
What about a cappuccino?
It has more foam and less milk.
And an Americano?
Espresso with hot water. It tastes stronger.
Then a latte is better for my first order.
I agree. It is smooth and easy to drink.
The menu says tall, grande, and venti. Which one is medium?
Grande is the medium size.
That is confusing. Tall sounds large,
Many new customers think that.
so tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Yes, that is the easiest way to remember it.
Which size do you usually get?
I usually order a grande.
Is a venti too much?
It is a large cup, so it may be too much today.
I do not want to waste coffee.
Then choose a grande.
When I order, should I say the size first?
Yes. Say, a grande latte, please.
Perfect. One difficult part is finished. I want a hot drink because it is cold outside.
Do you ever drink iced coffee?
Sometimes in summer. Is an iced latte different?
It has espresso, cold milk, and ice.
A hot latte has steamed milk, right?
Exactly. It feels softer and warmer.
Then I want the hot one today.
Say, a hot latte when you order.
Do I need to say hot?
It helps the barista understand every detail.
Clear orders prevent mistakes.
Right. So far, you have a grand hot latte.
Now we need to choose the milk. What milk choices do they have?
Regular milk, non-fat milk, soy, almond, coconut, and oat milk.
That is a long list.
You only need to choose one.
Regular milk sometimes makes my stomach uncomfortable.
Then try a plant-based milk.
Which one is good in a latte?
I like oat milk. It is creamy and not too strong.
Does almond milk taste like almonds?
A little, but the taste is usually light.
I want the coffee to feel smooth.
Oat milk is a good choice.
Is there an extra charge?
Sometimes the barista will tell you.
That is fine. I will choose oat milk. Do I need to add a flavor?
No, a plain latte is fine.
I see vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut syrup.
Those are popular choices.
Are they very sweet?
They can be, it depends on the number of pumps.
What does one pump mean?
It is one small push from the syrup bottle.
Can I ask for only one pump?
Yes, that gives light flavor without too much sugar.
I like vanilla, so I will try one pump.
Good. Say, 1 pump of vanilla.
Should I add whipped cream?
Not today. Let's keep your first drink simple.
Grande hot latte, oat milk, 1 pump of vanilla. Sarah, those muffins look good.
Are you hungry?
A little. I did not eat breakfast.
Then get something with your coffee.
What is that sandwich?
It is a breakfast sandwich with egg and cheese.
It looks filling, but I do not have much time.
A muffin may be easier.
Which one do you recommend?
The blueberry muffin is popular.
Can they warm it?
Yes. The barista may ask, would you like it warmed?
I will say, yes, please.
Good. Mention the food after your drink.
Drink first, then food. I am ready.
Before we reach the register, let's practice.
Okay, please be the barista.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I would like a grande hot latte with oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla, please.
Excellent. Anything else?
1 blueberry muffin, warmed, please.
Perfect. Is that everything?
Yes, that is all. Thank you.
The barista may ask for your name or repeat the order.
What if I do not understand?
Say, could you repeat that, please?
That is useful. The line is moving.
Take a breath. You know what to say.
You are doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone, I am Daniel, and I am here to help you learn English the easy way. Here is a quick English tip before we continue. Jake said, I would like a grande hot latte, please. I would like is a polite and natural way to order food or drinks. You can also use the shorter form, I'd like. Examples. I'd like a small coffee, please. I'd like this muffin warmed, please. I'd like oat milk instead of regular milk. Now for today's video question. What kind of milk does Jake choose for his latte? Listen carefully. Write your answer in the comments when you hear answer. Even a short answer in English is excellent practice. Ready? Let's continue.
Good morning. What can I get started for you?
I would like a grande hot latte with oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla, please.
Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Would you like anything to eat?
1 blueberry muffin, please.
Would you like it warmed?
Yes, please.
Can I have a name for the order?
Jake.
Did you say Jack or Jake?
Jake. Jake.
There is a small extra charge for oat milk. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Great. Is that everything?
Yes, thank you.
You said it very clearly.
Your total is $9.40.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Tap your card here.
Did it work?
Hold it near the screen for 1 more second.
Like this?
Yes. The payment was approved.
Could I have a printed receipt?
Of course. Here it is.
Where should I wait?
Your muffin comes from this side. Your drink will be at the pickup counter.
How long will it take?
Around 5 minutes. We will call your name.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Sarah, I can help you next. What can I get for you?
I would like a grande iced Americano with light ice and a little almond milk, please.
That sounds stronger than my latte.
It is stronger, but I like it.
Would you like any syrup?
No syrup, thank you.
Anything to eat?
No, that is all.
Can I put Sarah as the name?
Yes, please.
Your total is $4.80.
I will pay with my phone.
Hold it near the reader.
Done.
Payment approved. Your drink will be ready soon.
You did not look at the menu once.
I order the same drink often.
Is this the correct place to wait?
Yes. Stay behind the line.
I can see many cups with stickers.
Each sticker shows the name and drink details.
That helps them remember every change.
Exactly. Check your label before drinking.
What does mobile order mean?
Customers order with the Starbucks app before arriving.
Then they collect the drink here?
Usually, yes.
That sounds useful on busy mornings.
It is. But ordering in person is better English practice.
I agree. Someone just called a name. Was it Jake?
I think so. Let's listen carefully.
Jake, I have a grande iced mocha for Jake.
That is my name. Should I take it?
Wait, your drink is hot, not iced.
You are right.
Are you Jake with the iced mocha?
No, I ordered a hot latte with oat milk.
Then this belongs to another customer named Jake.
I am glad I checked.
Listen to the drink name, not only your name.
Your latte is still being made.
No problem. Thank you.
It should be ready in 2 minutes.
From now on, I will check the name and drink.
Sarah, your iced Americano is ready. Jake, I have a grande hot vanilla latte.
That should be mine. Thank you.
Check the sticker first.
It says whole milk, but I ordered oat milk.
Ask before you drink it.
Excuse me, Olivia. Could you help me?
Of course. Is there a problem?
I think this was made with whole milk. I ordered oat milk.
Let me check. Yes, the label says whole milk.
My receipt says oat milk. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
You are right. The drink was made incorrectly.
Could I please have it remade with oat milk?
Absolutely. I am sorry about the mistake.
That is okay. Thank you for checking.
I will remake your latte. It will take 3 minutes.
That is fine. Should I leave this cup here?
Yes, please give it to me.
Here you go.
The new cup will clearly say oat milk.
Thank you.
You stayed calm and explained the problem clearly.
Your new latte is being made now.
Polite words make problems easier to solve.
Jake, your remade latte with oat milk is ready.
Thank you. The sticker says oat milk now.
Great. Be careful because the cup is hot.
Could I have a cardboard sleeve?
Of course, here you are.
May I also have 2 napkins?
Certainly.
Thank you very much.
Please tell me if everything tastes right.
Take a small sip. It may still be hot.
Wow. It is smooth and only a little sweet.
Can you taste the vanilla?
Yes, but it does not cover the coffee.
Then one pump was a good choice.
The oat milk is creamy too. I like it.
I'm glad the new drink is correct.
I found a table near the window.
Great. My muffin is still warm.
Be careful when you open the bag.
I have the napkins Olivia gave me.
Good planning.
The muffin is soft inside. Would you like some?
No, thank you. I already had breakfast.
Your Americano looks very dark.
It is strong, but almond milk makes it softer.
My latte is easier for a beginner.
Probably. It has more milk.
I am happy I chose a simple drink.
Now you know how to change the milk and sweetness.
I also know how to correct an order politely. My sister Chloe works next door. I want to surprise her.
Do you know her usual order?
She likes decaf coffee because caffeine keeps her awake.
Then order a decaf latte.
She also drinks almond milk and does not like syrup.
You know every detail. Order it yourself.
I am not nervous this time.
Welcome back, Jake. What can I get for you?
A tall, hot decaf latte with almond milk and no syrup, please.
Is that drink to go?
Yes, it is for Chloe.
Anything else?
No, thank you. Could you add a cup sleeve?
Certainly. Your total is $5.10.
I will pay by card.
Payment approved. It will be ready soon.
Chloe's drink is ready and you checked the label.
Yes, tall, hot, decaf, almond milk, no syrup.
You ordered 2 different drinks today.
This morning I was afraid to order one coffee.
What changed?
I built each order one detail at a time.
Size, temperature, drink, milk, and flavor.
I also learned. Could you repeat that, please?
And you solved a problem at the pickup counter.
I checked the label, explained the mistake, showed the receipt, and asked for a remake.
Are you ready to come alone next time?
Yes, but I want to learn how to use the app.
We can practice a mobile order another morning.
Great. Next time I will order breakfast too.
You're becoming a regular customer.
Thanks for helping me, Sarah.
You did the hard part yourself. Now take Chloe's drink before it gets cold.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned useful English for ordering coffee. Before we finish, let's quickly review 3 important words from today's story. First word, grande. At Starbucks, grande means the medium drink size. Jake chose a grande latte because he wanted more than a small drink but less than a large one. Second word, oat milk. Oat milk is a plant-based milk made from oats. Jake chose oat milk because he wanted a smooth and creamy latte without regular milk. Third word, remake. A remake is a new drink made again because the first drink was incorrect. Olivia remade Jake's latte after they noticed the wrong milk on the label. Now let's return to today's question. What kind of milk does Jake choose for his latte? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments. I read everyone. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I will be back soon with another easy English conversation.